In this video, we are going to show you how we can create an AI chatbot for your Telegram account using Kommunicate. This would look something like this. You ask a question, and it would give answers. For example, how many days does it take for standard shipping? The AI chatbot will fetch the answer and provide it to you. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to create this kind of AI chatbot using Kommunicate. To begin, we need a Kommunicate account, and we need to create a bot on Telegram. To create a bot on Telegram, we have to go to BotFather. You can search at BotFather, and you will find BotFather with a blue tick. This is BotFather, and it's by Telegram. Click on Start. Here, we will be given an option to create a new bot. There are other options, like mentioned in the descriptions, but this is the one we are going to use for this tutorial. For this, we are going to name it Urban Step. That's the name, and we need to give it a bot name, like Urban Step. Yes, our bot is now created. So, this is the name of the bot, and this is the username for the bot. If we click here, we will be sent back to that bot. But this is the access token that we need to copy and keep safe somewhere. Over here, we will keep it here so that we will be using it in the process. Moving ahead, once that is done, now we can go to the spot. And now, if we ask anything to this bot, the bot won't be able to answer. Because even though the bot has been created, there is no AI behind it. So that is where we are going to use a platform like Kommunicate. You can go to Kommunicate.io and click on Get Started, and you can get your own free account for a 30-day trial. Once you log in, you would see something like this, which will be your onboarding screen. You can skip everything and go to Agent Integrations. Under Agent Integrations, click on Create AI Agent. We are going to name this AI agent as Urban Step because that's the e-commerce store we are using as an example. We are going to call this Urban Step AI Chatbot. You can use custom instructions from there, or you can delete them all, or you can bring your own custom instruction. For example, over here, we have our own custom instruction on how the AI chatbot should behave. So we are going to paste it here, and we are going to click on Save and Continue. Now that we have created this new AI chatbot called Urban Step AI Chatbot, so this is there. You can give your welcome message, like, Hi. Welcome to Urban Step. How may I help you? Here, we can add buttons and more such features. But right now, the most important thing we need to focus on is training the AI chatbot. So, we need to hit the Train button. Now, we move to the knowledge source. This is where we will provide the AI chatbot with the data it needs to train on. There are 3 ways to do this. We can drag and drop documents. For example, if we already have an FAQ document for Urban Step, we can upload it. While this is happening, we can also train the chatbot using our website URL. If we have a website with many pages, we can instantly add the URL link here, and the chatbot will start to fetch and understand the content. We can also connect our knowledge base if it is built on Zendesk or Salesforce. In the meantime, if we come back to documents, we can see that the bot or the AI agent has been trained on the document. Now, if we ask any question, the AI chatbot should be able to answer. If we go back, we have created a bot on Telegram, and we have created an AI chatbot on Kommunicate. Now, we need to integrate both of them so they can start to communicate with each other. For this, if you remember, there was an access token that we collected while creating the bot on Telegram. We are going to copy that same access token and go to Kommunicate. Next, we click on Integrations on the left-hand panel. On the left-hand panel, we select Telegram. There are some old integration settings. We remove them. Now, we add the new token and click on Integrate. Once this is done, we will see a message that says, Telegram integration was successful. The last thing we need to do is assign the AI chatbot to the Telegram messaging channel. For this, we click on Settings and then on Conversations. After that, we click on Rules. Here, we assign new conversations to our new bot, which is Urban Step AI Chatbot. We will also assign conversations based on channels. We click on Add Channel Seek, select Telegram, and then select the same bot we have chosen. This bot is Urban Step Chatbot. If you remember, before the integration, when we asked Hi, the bot did not answer. Let's try again. Now that the bot is integrated with the Kommunicate AI chatbot, it should respond. As we can see, it has started replying. Now the bot is active. Telegram bot has the Kommunicate chatbot running in the background. Let's ask something from the FAQ section. Let's ask about standard delivery. How many days does it take? So, we are going to ask how many days it takes for standard delivery. As you can see, the AI chatbot has started responding based on the data it has been trained on. Let's ask one more thing. Let's ask how much it costs. The chatbot has responded that the standard delivery costs 49 rupees and 990 rupees, which is similar to what we see here in the documentation. Now, we are going to update the AI chatbot. We are going back to the AI chatbot. We'll look up the AI chatbot over here. But what happens if we want to speak to a human? We need to connect to a human. So over here, we are going to connect, for example, by typing talk to human. You can create an intent here, and you can add different kinds of phrases, like speak to human, I want to talk to a human agent, or connect me to human, or something similar. Whenever this happens, we can say, sure, I am connecting you to a human agent. Now, over here on Kommunicate, we have the option to do handovers. What this does is, whenever someone asks these questions, or types something like this, the AI chatbot is going to assign it to a specific human. In this case, we are going to select this human agent. Next, we will hit Train. Now, let's go back to Telegram. If we ask, I want to speak to a human, it responds with, we are connecting you to a human agent. When we return to our Kommunicate platform, we can see that this is the same conversation that was happening, where we can follow the same conversation. As you can see, the same conversation is still ongoing. Also, the AI agent has assigned the conversation to us, and now we can reply. Hi there, how may we help you today? The same statement will be sent back. It should appear here in a moment. Yes, so what we see here is, hi there, how may we help? How may we help? We want to speak to a human, and then the conversation can continue. So, that's all you need to create an AI chatbot for your Telegram account. With a platform like Kommunicate, which is simple and very easy to use, as you have seen in the tutorial video,